So we just got a Mac Studio for the office, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing to show you guys what is included and what's not included in this behemoth of a Mac. So we got the Mac Studio with Apple M1 Max chip, and we got the smaller one, so it's 512 if you guys can see that. We didn't go with the terabyte option because we plan on building out our own NAS so we can, store our content locally. So it just didn't make sense for us to get the terabyte. This thing is a good amount of storage though for what we needed, and just to let you guys know, on this channel we're gonna do our best to really start pumping out some great content for you guys. So with that, since this is a pretty cool and exciting box, I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you. So this thing is heavy, man. This thing has got to be 10-15 pounds. So it's kind of exciting. On the box we have the Mac Studio here with a heavy duty handle, because like I said, this thing has some weight to it. And we got a picture of the back, so we have all these ports. We also have a picture of the front, so we pretty much already know what we're gonna get. On the top of the box we have this little green arrow that I guess we're gonna pull. There we go. And let's see what we have inside. Ooh. Okay. So it kind of has this cool opening. Let's see if I can show you guys that. So inside we have, pull this out, the typical design by Apple in California. And okay, so this thing is going to open. So we have these two arrows on either side saying to pull. Not that far. And from here, okay, let me brace myself because this bad boy is heavy. Oh, it's not that bad. So in the box, we have the computer and we have the power cord. Let's see, is there anything else? No, but the box is cool, man. I mean, this is expensive, so I guess presentation is pretty important. So let's close this back up. If for some reason I have this weird thing where every Mac product that I've ever bought, I still have the box. I'm somewhat of a hoarder. All right, so let's drop this down and take a look. So we have here, looks like our power cord. Oh, it's not rubber. I thought it would be rubber, but it's like coated with some fabric. Yeah, so this is the power cord. What is this? Maybe 5 feet. Almost feels like it should be elastic, but it's not. So let's put that right there. Drop this down here. All right, so this is the Mac Studio. Of course, it's wrapped up right now, but you can see the Apple logo right there. So let's try to open this thing up. Ooh, careful. Not gonna lie, when we checked out for this thing, I had a mini heart attack because it's so dang expensive. All right, so it's upside down. Let's grab this. All right. So there it is. I mean, that is what you get. You get a power cord and the computer. So on the front of it, it looks like we have a few ports right here. And then on the back, there's a couple, looks like USB, HDMI, there's a audio jack, and then the power button. There's nothing on either side of it. In the bottom, it says Mac Studio, and it looks like this has a little piece of rubber that probably is not gonna do much, but it's really to kind of keep this thing in place. Yeah, it does absolutely nothing. And then it says Mac Studio. We can see that this is also raised a little bit, and I'm guessing that's just to get more air in when you're using it, which is good. We're gonna be doing a lot of video editing with this thing, so Cool. So what we don't have, which is kind of upsetting, we don't have a mouse, we don't have a keyboard, we don't have a screen, and we're not getting the Mac screen because I don't know if you guys check the prices on those things, but they're crazy. So actually right over there I have like this Dell gaming screen that I'll be using or will be using for our audio and visual for this new Mac Studio. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys what was in the box, and maybe I'll do a quick video of the setup, but that's it for now. So please, if you could, like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. See ya.